So this is our holiday coaching classes. With this, your creativity mind should come forth. All those effects you have learned, you should bring them. I can put my work in right. Do you see what happens? It's aligning to be right. Because of this, my background, I'm having this background here. So it's either I'm going to reduce my background so I can have a space. Do we see? And if our outline is too much, let me reduce to 12. Do we see? So enroll your child or work to our holiday coaching classes center. Do we see? This is your text arrangement. You need to work on your text arrangement. This I don't like that font. Let's look for another comic font that will be very beautiful. I think this is still bolder enough. Do you see? So to our holiday coaching classes, we are still using text arrangement before we go to color and effect. Then you have what are the things they want to learn. These are the things they want to learn. So you pick them together. You don't pick them separately. Reduce them, zoom out so that you can work on your page. Do you see? Computer trainings, online training, computer training, entrepreneur. That's it. We are good to go. Yeah. If for you to be seeing it, you can use your white background. Then you have Arts Academy. Then this art, I may not even use this again. I will just use the symbol. You know the art symbol. Yes. Just use this art symbol here. Then I copy the academy separate. I copy the academy separate. Do you see? At academy. Don't forget, we have to look for a font that will bring out our academy very well. At academy. Do you see? If there is address, you put the address. If there is no address, just put all the details they give you. Do you see now? At academy. So I'm doing text alignment and my color at the same time, so I can have a beautiful outfit. So what did I want to do? I want to apply all the effects that you have learned. This is the time to bring them into activation. Don't just learn it and put it in your brain. This is the time you think, what can I do? What can I do? How can I do it? How can I do it? And before you know it, you will get a good. Do you see now? You see how my academy is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Even without any other thing. That's only gold and the black shadow bring my work out. So we deliver quality service. This one's supposed to be our address or telephone number. We see, then we deliver quality service is the last caption word for them to see what we do. But then that one should not be so bold. Just be a little underneath. With this, I can reduce this down because it has no meaning being at the top. It should come down a little bit. Do we see now? Because that's the place that we have the company caption. Good. So this one will serve as our text. Now, with this, what happens? We are done with our text alignment. The next thing is to do our color. Bring out the color that will come out very well for all our work. Your flyers or your background or your design is not complete if you don't have a good color. You need to look at the color you want to use. Holiday coaching. What color should we use? I'll be using some funny color I will see. Then when you are using your own, try to do something. Do we see? Then with this, you can try any of the effects here. You can try any of the effects you have known, just to bring so that you don't forget. This is the time you can be learning. Do you see all the effects I'm using? The one I'm using now is the contour. Do we see? is the control tool I'm using right now. See the way it brings out my work. It brings out my color very well. Good. I love it like this. I don't need to adjust anything again. That is one effect I have used. This one is just the training. You don't need to waste your time on much of this. Do we see now? So with this, wow, the color looks so faint inside. So let's look for another color that will bring it out. Yes, yellow and red go with a red outline. Do you see? I can change my fonts if you don't like that, so that it's going to attract people and bring the best. Just use your best. You too, you will know. And let me also tell you, when you are using all these fonts, don't say, this thing, don't go and be a color riot person, because it's not good. Do you see now? With this is just a little starting point. I believe with this, if you can do something like this, you will see the outcome. Then you can say, yes, I'm beginning to be a good designer. The way say, very beautiful. But this my heart. I'm not seeing that white. It's very possible that it's going to faint with my background. Good. Do you see? And for you to know if some of your text is going to come out, F4 is going to bring it out for you, and your F9 is going to zoom it from afar. Looking at it from afar, is anything readable? Yes, it's very readable. Definitely, if somebody is very far to you, they should be able to see it. That is the essence of it. Try to lay your hand on something like this and post your own flyer for me, so I can see how good you are getting. This is just a little sample of a flyer.